Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: the UK halfpenny from 1908 and its value in normal condition at a heritage auction. Here it is, the 1908 UK halfpenny. This coin is a piece of history, and it's fascinating to learn about its historical significance and value. To better understand its value, let's briefly delve into some history. The halfpenny was in circulation in the United Kingdom for many years, and the 1908 issue holds a special place in the hearts of collectors. As you can see, this coin features the portrait of King Edward VII on the obverse side, and on the reverse, we have Britannia seated. The design is intricate, and the condition of the coin can significantly impact its value. The 1908 UK halfpenny in various conditions. Keep in mind that coin values can fluctuate, so it's essential to check recent auction results for accurate pricing. After checking recent auction results for the 1908 UK halfpenny in normal condition, on average, it tends to sell for around $50,000 to $100,500. However, factors like rarity, condition, and demand can drive prices up or down. To determine the exact value of your coin, consider factors such as its overall condition, any minting errors, and its historical significance. Coins with unique characteristics or an exceptional condition can fetch higher prices at auctions. Please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more coin-related content. Thanks for joining us today.